Oh no! Did you just jump in the soup? That is not a hot tub and nobody wants to eat you.
Three, two, one, go!
Alright, today I'm playing Microwave Dinner. A refrigerator fell from the sky. Okay, so let me get familiar with the controls for a second. Upgrade failed. Insufficient fuel. The next upgrade requires 2 microwave dinners. Okay. Alright, this is the first world, I guess. Oh, the refrigerator is my home. Those rats. They went and hid the cheese in the sewer. They've been stealing cheese from the hotel for so long. Someone needs to stop them. Hello, how are you? Nice weather we're having. The ocean is so pretty. What a polite blob. Ooh. Wait, why doesn't that make me bounce? Open. Okay, so I guess I collect those. Ooh, it's a blob. Reckon you're one of them tourists. Welcome to Blue Fort Port. You've met the best farmer on the island. That I am. Okay, so that's junk bot. I'm assuming I need to bring pieces of something to it. Hey, you have no hat tickets. You need a hat ticket to use me. Hat tickets are hidden around the game and are sometimes in plain sight too. Check the achievement screen to see which ones you're missing. Paint trader's boat. Oh. Hey. Hey. Seem interested in paint. You can see it in the eye. Let me let you in on a little secret, okay? I give new shipments every day and hour, and my merchandise is always changing, so you might want to check back regularly, you get me? The shop is let's call it a charitable fundraiser. Don't leave here without buying something. Buying paint here helps support the development of the game, thank you. How about no? Area unlocked. The sewers. Rat sewers. The cheese tax? Okay, actual level time. Oh, there's the cheese vault. This vault has the best security. You'll never make it past the buttons. This is where things start getting tricky. You'll need to get 2 pieces of cheese in the next room. Good luck with that, ha ha ha. Squeak. Oh. So where do I take the cheese in this room? Not over there. Wait, I only need 1? What? Squeak? You got the door open. Are you a vault cracking expert? Stop this robot. Well, at least you don't know what that next room is color coded. Well, now I do. This is where things actually start getting tricky. Love it when NPCs give the answers to a puzzle. Squeak, an intruder. Wait, stay calm. Nobody can get past this door. They would need to know that this door needs 2 buttons to open it, and one is way over there. Besides, how's this robot gonna get 2 pieces of cheese? Oops. Yes. Oh, if I broke those, I wouldn't be able to win. Could have just trapped myself there. Okay, so what's over here? I got a microwave dinner. You got a microwave dinner. Take it to FridgeBot's power core where it can be used as fuel. Connect enough to upgrade FridgeBot and unlock new worlds. So there's this glitch where this will start happening. I swear I'm only pressing it once. Oh. Kid Blob. Hey, robot. Yeah, you. I bet you could use this ramp to get a bunch of speed with that wheel of yours. You could probably even zip across the water to the lighthouse. That would be so cool. Okay, I need 200 chicken legs for that though. Oh. So I can get hats like this. You got the captain hat. You can wear this hat after you've upgraded FridgeBot. So I can't even wear my cool hat? I see I got the scraps I need. Now I'll be able to build the upgrade. Just stand still while I work my magic. Okay. Alright, all finished up. Now you'll be able to zoom across the island. You got the turbo wheel upgrade. This upgrade enables you to do a turbo boost while rolling. To use this upgrade, press X while on the ground to roll. While rolling, press and hold X to do a turbo boost. You'll be so fast you could probably roll across the water like solid ground. Okay, what's in here? Area unlocked. Restaurant. I unlocked the restaurant. Probably should have gone here first, before that other area. There's a chef blob. There's a pot. What's the pot full of? A microwave robot? You must be here for a job. Go talk to the chef blob. He's straight back in the kitchen. Hey, you must be the new guy. Just be careful inside the freezer. I heard there's a loose vent that could fall out at any moment. Really need to fix that. Well, I guess I'll go to the kitchen. I am the chef of this restaurant. Too bad I'm not doing much cooking because nobody will help me. Wavebot, I'll help. Chef Blob, great. I need food for the soup. Get some and put them in that pot. I need lettuce, chicken, a fish, and a carrot. Good luck. Okay, so this level is just a fetch quest. Okay, so I found the chicken. Oh no! Did you just jump in the soup? That is not a hot tub and nobody wants to eat you. What if I drop this in? Whoa. Watch yourself there. That does not go in the soup. Oh no, did you just jump in the... No, I didn't. That is not a hot tub and nobody wants to eat. Found a bug. Oh, weird. Okay, that's the last of the ingredients, and this will be my last quest for the video. Well, I'm going to check on FridgeBot and see if I can get an upgrade first. You finished collecting everything for the soup. Go talk to Chef Blob. There was a badge called Soup Saboteur. Stop that! No putting boxes in the soup. Whoa, you got everything. Thanks. This is going to be a delicious soup. Everyone will love it. But did you put Mr. Bubbles in the soup? The restaurant's pet? I'm messing with you. Must have been another fish you had, right? Anyway, oh, I put the pet. Thanks for helping. I'll give you this. You can have it. Help the chef get this reward. You got a microwave dinner. Take it to FridgeBot's power core where it can be used as fuel. Collect enough to upgrade FridgeBot and unlock new worlds. I'm going to unlock 2 areas. I'm not going to go to them though. What hat did I get? Oh, a pink flower crown hat. Congratulations. You can wear this hat after you've upgraded FridgeBot. Area unlocked. Wonder what that is. Area unlocked. Now that I've I'm adding my microwave dinners, starting upgrade. Please wait. Watch for falling rocks. FridgeBot's power core has been upgraded. Scanning for new worlds. A new world has been found. Confirming fuel. You have enough fuel. You can now travel to new worlds using the hologram console. This upgrade has unlocked 1 new world. You can now wear hats by using the outfits closet. Upgrade complete. Yes. I think the captain's hat looks better on him. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.